Children, now moving to the study tips for class 9. As I am your class teacher, I am giving you few study tips for all subjects, and then later on I will give you specifically for how to learn maths throughout the year so that you will get success in your subject as well and your overall studies. So first tip is what I am writing here. You can note it down in your notebook as well. So make a study schedule or a plan. So it means what? You have to make your study schedule, your study plan as per your strength, as per your interest. So see that you are taking all the subjects here, you are giving justice to all the subjects, fair justice to all the subjects. Second is study every day. Now this is very important, study every day. I have already told you, and from the beginning only I am telling you study every day, because whatever the work you are doing it on daily basis. So you have to study every day. There is no other option than study in 9th standard. But be sure that we will learn and we will do the things with playway manner as well, and you have time now. So whatever the activities will be given to you, you will enjoy your studies as well. Third thing is discover your style of learning style. Now what does mean by learning style? Learning style, here I want to give you a WARK model. What does mean by WARK model? So W means what? Visual, A means audio, R means reading and writing, and K means kinesthetic. Now visual means some students, they have the learning style only seeing the things, they are able to understand. Some are by hearing the things, they are able to understand. Now reading and writing again is one more style of after seeing, after hearing, they are writing, they are reading again, they are writing again, and then they are able to understand the concepts. And then the last is kinesthetic, which is very important for better understanding, clear understanding, and which is very important mathematics as well. That is learning by doing. Whatever the projects are given to you, so that comes under kinesthetic. Next tip is plan your time and place. Now what does mean by time and place? So I have told you that make a study schedule, but at what time you have to study at home, and which is the specific place, you only better know that at a particular place in your home also you are learning the things in better way. So you plan your time and place. Now take breaks. What does mean by take breaks? So if you sit for study, you should not study continuously. So take 5 minutes break. If you are studying for 2 hours, take 5 minutes break in between. So that will refresh you and you will not feel boring while studying. Next is review and revise. Notes from class. So every day you have to revise the notes from class. Whatever the notes given in the class, you should revise them every day on daily basis. Next, make sure that your notes are complete. Now we are providing you notes, so you have to complete. Somewhere if you miss any note, then you see that you are getting it from your friends, from your sources, and get it completed. Next is, it's very important that ask questions if not understood. So if you have any difficulty in any of the part, in any subject, your queries are always welcome by all the teachers. That's why you have to ask your doubts there and then itself. Let's see the next steps. I hope you must have noted down all these steps. So I'm going on the next one. Ask for help. Now this help you can take from your parents, this help you can take from your friends, and we teachers are ready to help you all the time. So don't hesitate to ask any kind of question, any kind of query to us, and whatever the things you find difficult, you can discuss these things with your friends as well. Next is talk to teachers. This is the overall tip I have given throughout the year. So in lockdown period it's not possible for you to talk to teachers, but I have told you the way how you can communicate with teachers. There is a feedback in our school app. You can talk to teachers through that for your subject, for your doubts. Next is get organized. Get organized in your work. Whatever you are doing, it should be organized. It should be, kept in proper manner. So this is how, even whatever work you are doing, it should be according to the plan. So this is how, whatever the work related to your academic part, it should be organized work. Now these are the general tips I am giving you. That is, do yoga, pranayam, at least for 15 to 20 minutes daily. This way it will really help you for your blood circulation in brain, and you know the various importance of yoga for our good health. Next is eat seasonal fruits. And balanced diet. Now, in these days, your favorite seasonal fruit is available, so eat lots of mangoes. Specifically, eat vitamin C food rich. Vitamin C rich food which will help you good memory power, and better immunity. Yes, you might be thinking I am teaching you science now, but it's not a science, it's the important thing. As a class teacher, I should tell you all these things and to keep you healthy, and if you are healthy, then you will focus on your studies. Next is, there are very few things, and that is take sound sleep. So sound sleep means don't worry, don't take any tension. You are safe at your home, you are healthy, you are working, you are doing workouts, and now you are studying as well. So definitely you will have sound sleep. And the last thing is what? Stay motivated. It's very important. Stay motivated. Motivated means always you should have rational thoughts, you should have positive thoughts. Yes, the things will go and better things will come. And 9th standard is the year where you have to enjoy a lot as well as you have to study a lot. So stay motivated. And finally, I have to tell you, this is for overall planning, that is allocate some extra time for the subjects or topics in which you think you need some extra practice. So it is not the thing that we are always perfect in everything. There are some areas where you are lacking. There are some areas where you have scored less marks in previous grades. So there you have to take some extra efforts to improve on that, and that's why you have to take care of that as well. Along with these study tips, I am giving you now tips for maths. So, first, you have to apply, in mathematics you have to apply logical mathematical style, learning style. What does mean by logical mathematical learning style? It means you have ability to reason, solve the problems, and there you have to see the things logically,